Welcome to new and old students, teachers and staff. Morena everyone, my name is Mia and I am proud to be your Deputy Head Girl for 2024. Here at Macleans we've figured out 3 cornerstones: extracurriculars, academics and the whānau house system. These cornerstones connect us all and offer students a way to find their footing here at the castle. The first cornerstone is extracurriculars. As Leo will say, co-curriculars are all about passion, fun and growth. There is a reason why Macleans offers over 100 extracurriculars. It is so everybody here, students, teachers and staff, find something that they are passionate about. My extracurriculars are where I have met my whānau, who I can call my forever family. Co-curriculars open so many different doors revolving around finding yourself and your people. I challenge you to sign up for that club or team that you regretted not signing up for last year or at intermediate. Trust me, you'll meet your best friends. The second cornerstone is academics. The classroom isn't for everyone. Some of us may be more fond of the arts, like dance or drama, or more sports driven, and that's why you chose Challenge Course over continuing to do math this year. We all have our strengths and weaknesses in and out of the classroom. Remember that your weaknesses can be turned into strengths through the power of your mind and hard work. Lastly, the whānau house system. For new students starting at the castle, you're yet to find out about what competing for your house really means here at Macleans. Everyone here has a whānau, a family, and majority of us share one passion, and that is to win. We have our whānau houses to help create relationships between all year groups. Cheering on small house choir or passing that one more person in cross country, we all find ways to represent our house and continue to bleed our house colour forever. As we stand on the brink of a new school year, whether it is your last year or you're just starting your time here at Macleans, you must take advantage of your opportunities that 2024 holds. It is important that you do what makes you happy this year. If it's joining an extracurricular or competing for your whānau and house sports, you are in control of your 2024. Do something worthwhile with it. Thank you, and up the castle.
Kia ora. Good morning all, welcome back. 2024, a fresh start and a new year of possibilities. Hi, I'm Alex and it is an absolute honour to be your head boy for 2024. To our Year 9s and new students, I welcome you. To our returning students, I hope you have had an enjoyable summer break and are ready for the new year. Whether you're a 5th year veteran or are just embarking on your journey, the opportunities are endless at the castle, and that's what makes Macleans what it is. This room is full of talented individuals, athletes, musicians, artists. As almost 3,000 of us unify at Macleans, we all still have the opportunity to be ourselves, and that's what makes the castle what it is. Everywhere you look, there's something to strive towards here at Macleans. If I could give some pieces of advice to everyone that I have found useful over the years, it would be: challenge yourself and try something new. Join that new group, go to that club, go support your mates' sports games. You won't regret it. A great way to show your school spirit is getting involved in athletics days and swimming sports. With them being some of the first events in the school calendar, I encourage you to give everything a go. The castle, our crest. It not only represents our values, but unites us all as a collective, a whānau. We wear the symbol with pride and love. That's why it is over our hearts. It is a symbol of courage, respect, knowledge, and commitment. Pride doesn't come from an accumulation of achievements, but rather from effort. It's not about being perfect, but it's about giving your best. I wish each and every one of you the best this year. Work hard, embrace the college experiences, and have fun. Wherever you may be on your journey at the castle, make it a good one and one to remember. Thank you, and up the castle.
This week marked the start of a new year, new chapter, and a new beginning. Whether you're returning or arriving as a new student, welcome. Welcome to our Macleans whānau, the place where it will become your second home. I hope you've all had a wonderful, relaxing summer break and are recharged for an exciting new year ahead. I'm Leo, and it's my privilege to be your Deputy Head Boy for 2024. With a school this size, Macleans offers more than just a place for time in a classroom. It's a vibrant community filled with endless opportunities to excel. Here, education extends beyond textbooks, with over 100 extracurricular activities spanning from sports, academic, cultural, and service, there is truly something for everyone. My advice to anyone this year seeking to try out something new would be to simply follow your passion. Cherish the friendships and memories you create and to set yourself goals. Whether those goals are to make the stage of the school musical or to make the field of the football team, take that first step forward and avoid being the person who looks back with regret. Now, as we gear up for Athletics Day, our first full school event of the year, happening just in a couple of weeks, make sure to hold on to your hats and tie up those running shoes because we're about to kick off the year like no other. Embrace every opportunity on offer as they act as the catalyst for your personal growth. As Dr. Seuss once said, there's no limit to what you can do. So get out there, get involved, and remember that everyone starts from somewhere. You might just discover a hidden talent you never knew existed within you. Personally, I would have never thought that one day I would be attending music rehearsals with a funky brass-like giant saxophone strapped around my back. Now, with that being said, I wish you all the very best for the year ahead, and let's all make 2024 a memorable one. Up the castle.
The first day of 2024 was a Monday. It was not only a new day, but a new month, a new week, and a new year. I hope that this means that this year will bring many new beginnings for all of us. I'm Kelly, and it is an absolute privilege to be your head girl. I hope that you have all enjoyed a fun and restful holiday ready for the new year. A fresh start can be both exciting and daunting. It's difficult to find where you belong in a crowd of almost 3,000 students, but we all belong to the same school. We all wear the castle in our heart, and we wear it with pride. It's an emblem of our school's community, the various intersections of culture and backgrounds all flourishing within Macleans. To the New Year Nines, welcome to the castle, and to everyone returning, a warm welcome back. High school is whatever you make it to be, so whether it's your first or final year, my advice is to make the most of your time. Don't wait. Take advantage of every possibility and opportunity that Macleans has to offer. These years are for you to find out who you are and who you want to be. So try new things, take risks, and don't end the year with any regrets. Do one tiny thing that scares you almost every single day. Because courage doesn't have to look like cliff jumps and big moments. Courage is built in the micro moments, and I've learned that a fear of doing something is actually worse than just doing it. So find the things and the people that make you excited for life and hold on to them. In your time here, there will be a moment where everything clicks, where everything makes sense, but this moment won't come from nothing. It's built upon days and weeks of tiny continuous steps. So please, work hard, put in the hours, and it'll be worth it in the end, I promise. And it is in those moments of determination that you will make lasting memories and learn meaningful lessons. Slow down to appreciate the little things. Celebrate your efforts and the small victories and embrace those around you. After all, timing is everything. These 5 years will fly by you if you don't take the time to enjoy it. And I hope you'll take my word that it is a time worth enjoying. All the best for 2024. Thank you, and up the castle.